Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to update the Microsoft Outlook app on your Android phone step by step. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine at the top and type Microsoft Outlook. Then select the official app from the list. If you see an update button, tap it. If it says open, that means your app is already up to date. Wait a few moments until the update downloads and installs. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Once the update is done, tap open to launch the latest version of Microsoft Outlook, and this is how you update your Outlook app and be ready to use with the latest features. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe and drop a comment for your next tutorial request. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.